I feel like we should sing a song.
You want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing a song. This is Paul Carbonara, my best friend. We're here because it's Christmas!
Wow! What else is it, Rand?
Well, bizarrely, this year it's also the first day of Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
So, I bought a book called Everything You Ever Wanted to Know About Christmas.
You did? Oh my God.
Because
Why?
I'm the
Christmas maniac.
Right.
Do you know that Randy starts telling me about her Christmas menu in June? And she moves it forward a few weeks every year.
Well, I wait until June.
Oh boy.
Is the truth. But in this book, they were talking about carols, and they spoke about this carol that I've never in my life heard of, called the Cherry Tree Carol.
I've never heard of it before.
I know. So I was like, the Cherry Tree Carol. Now my thing is, they're my favorite fruit, you know. So I said, well, I'm going to hear the Cherry Tree Carol. So I went online, and there's a recording of Jean Ritchie, you know, the very famous Appalachian singer who's amazing, and Judy Collins.
Did you hear the Peter, Paul, and Mary version?
I love Peter, Paul, and Mary.
Yeah, they do a beautiful version.
I was listening
of
to
it.
them
also,
recently.
Joan Baez does a version.
So we'd like to sing for you the Cherry Tree Carol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When Joseph was an old man was he. He wed the Virgin Mary in the land of Galilee. He wed the Virgin Mary in the land of Galilee. When Joseph and Mary walked by an orchard good, where the berries and the cherries were as red as any blood, where the berries and the cherries were as red as any blood. Then bespoke Mary in a voice so meek and mild, pluck me one cherry, Joseph, for I am with child. Pluck me one cherry, Joseph, for I am with child. Then bespoke Joseph in a manner most unkind, let him pluck thee the cherry that got thee with that child. Let him pluck thee the cherry that got thee with that child. Then bespoke the baby inside his mother's womb, bow down the tallest branch that my mother may have some. Bow down the tallest branch that my mother may have some. Then bow down the tallest branch into his mother's hand. Mary cried, see you, Joseph, I have cherries at command. Mary cried, see you, Joseph, I have cherries at command. Then Joseph out walking, he heard the angels sing, on earth shall be born this night its heavenly King. On earth shall be born this night its heavenly King. So Mary took her baby and set him on her knee, saying, dearest son, tell me just how this world shall be. Saying, dearest son, tell me just how this world shall be. Well, I will be as dead, mother, as the stones are in the wall, as the stones are in the street, mother, they'll sorrow for me all. As the stones are in the street, mother, they'll sorrow for me all. On Easter, dear mother, my rising up shall be, and the sun and the moon, mother, shall both arise with me, and the sun and the moon, mother, shall both arise with me. What an amazing time of year.
Yeah.
It's my
Christmas
favorite time of year, Christmas time. It makes me so happy.
It does?
Yes. When I was a little kid and I would watch those shows where they would say the spirit of Christmas, try to keep the spirit of Christmas all year, I really took that to heart.
You really went in for that stuff.
I did. I said, I want to keep the spirit of Christmas all year. If Santa Claus is the spirit of Christmas, that's my valiant effort against the abyss.
Okay.
Is the spirit of Christmas. We want to wish you guys the happiest Christmas ever from everybody on the crew and our dogs. Happy, happy holidays.